In a world full of smartphone giants battling to pack in more features, more sensors, more bloat, and more distractions, one company dares to take a different path, a path rooted in minimalism, transparency, and user-first design. That company is Nothing, and their third-generation device, the Nothing Phone 3, might just be the most exciting mid-premium phone of 2025. With Carl Pei's vision still steering the brand, Nothing isn't here to follow trends, it's here to redefine them. Let's start with what instantly makes the phone 3 stand out, the design. While most phones today are either glass sandwiches or matte slabs with no identity, the Nothing Phone 3 carries forward its iconic transparent back. But this year, the design has evolved. It's cleaner, sharper, and more expressive than ever before. The materials have been refined, and the Glyph Interface 2.0 has been completely reimagined. This isn't just an LED gimmick anymore, it's a smart, interactive system. You can assign different lighting patterns for different apps or contacts, see the charging progress without unlocking the screen, visualize timers, and even sync the Glyph lights with music and third-party services like ride tracking or delivery apps. It's both functional and artistic, a truly unique identity in a sea of sameness. Moving to the display, the Nothing Phone 3 features a gorgeous 6.7-inch flexible OLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate, offering buttery-smooth visuals whether you're scrolling social media, watching YouTube, or gaming. The FHD Plus resolution, combined with HDR10 Plus support and vibrant color calibration, makes the screen a visual treat. Brightness has been amped up too, with 1,300 nits of peak brightness, ensuring legibility even under harsh sunlight. And thanks to ultra-thin bezels and a nearly symmetrical front design, this phone looks and feels like it belongs in a futuristic museum of tech. Under the hood, the Nothing Phone 3 is no slouch either. It's powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8's Gen 3 processor, a flagship-tier chip designed for power users and gamers who want performance without sacrificing battery life or thermals. Built on a 4nm architecture, this chipset brings efficient multitasking, AI enhancements, and smooth gaming performance to your fingertips. Pair that with up to 12 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 256 GB of UFS 4.0 storage, and you're looking at a phone that can breeze through any workload you throw at it. Whether you're editing a reel, launching a heavy mobile game, jumping between 10 apps, or using AI-powered features, the Phone 3 handles it all effortlessly. Now let's shift our focus to the camera department, where Nothing has chosen quality over quantity. While other brands may throw in a dozen sensors for marketing, the Nothing Phone 3 sticks with a solid dual 50MP setup on the rear. The primary sensor now comes with enhanced optical image stabilization, OIS, and improved dynamic range, allowing you to shoot detailed photos with vibrant colors and sharp contrast, even in low light. The second sensor is an ultra-wide lens, great for capturing landscapes, architecture, and group shots without distortion. On the front, you get a high-resolution 32MP selfie camera, perfect for crisp video calls, high-quality vlogs, and stunning portraits. And thanks to advanced image processing powered by Nothing's own software algorithms, every shot you take feels punchy and cinematic. Battery life is another area where the Nothing Phone 3 delivers solid performance. It houses a 5,000 mAh battery, which is more than enough to last a full day of heavy use, whether you're binge-watching, gaming, recording 4K videos, or working on the go. And when it's time to recharge, the 66W fast charging ensures you can go from 0 to 100% in under 45 minutes. That's flagship-tier convenience in a phone that's priced significantly lower than its premium competitors. The device also includes dual stereo speakers, haptics that actually feel premium, and an IP54 water and dust resistance rating, making it a well-rounded daily driver. On the software side, the Nothing Phone 3 ships with Nothing OS 3.0, based on Android 14. If you're someone who hates bloatware, duplicate apps, or clunky UI, this will feel like a breath of fresh air. The OS is clean, fast, and intentionally designed to keep you focused. It includes custom widgets, smart animations, and AI-enhanced features that assist without overwhelming. You'll find things like app launch boosters, background task optimizations, and even a new AI summarization tool that condenses your notifications or messages into simple takeaways. All of this without unnecessary software noise, and yes, it's ad-free too. And let's not forget what makes the Nothing Phone 3 so different from the rest: philosophy. This phone isn't about the biggest spec sheet or gimmicks. It's about redefining what a smartphone experience should feel like. The transparent back represents more than a design choice, it represents openness. The Glyph interface isn't just cool lighting, it's intuitive interaction. And the software doesn't drown you in features, it frees you from digital clutter. So, who is the Nothing Phone 3 for? It's for the creators, the minimalists, the tech explorers. It's for those who value design just as much as performance, and for those who want their phone to feel like a conversation starter, not just another slab in their pocket. At a time when most smartphones are starting to feel the same, the Nothing Phone 3 reminds us that innovation doesn't have to mean complication, it can mean clarity, creativity, and confidence. If you're looking for a phone that's not just powerful, but purposeful, one that respects your attention, delivers solid performance, and turns heads with every light pulse, the Nothing Phone 3 might just be your perfect companion for 2025.